And then you break the record, you are bounty.
Yeah. Edo was so Edo was say to and safro so wetimi aba. And ye nyine ba be kan bum na afi. Ya bo na bibia akoso. Dwumadi a ye bedi. Asanteman ne Ghana football and sports kanko. Nti na me ye to and safro so ye beba na ye nyina na ya to atoa na ya hwe. Kwan ye befa so ye bebo amanyoma akoso. Ti obas nyo no nkwa na ba ye. One Ashanti region National Sports Authority kasamafo ya yenu aba part ono so ebebe mama ye mo akwa aba o na bia boko de e ba se dia pressure no ntimi ana pressure na no de on nti e free enu abesi na wanya course be say ejuma de bia no nti e ba ne sa no afa ne sa titu esa akoya Asante Kotoko de a na se ano ayeden Once Kotoko no e da nipa bebre akoma so to mutinya ti bibi pe na afi ahyase na eba but ni nyina no me ye sure say to a asomdwe beba na afenu mi nyina atimi abo mo na Kotoko etumpon na National Sports Authority so etumpon enti enkomo na na de ba hye so no esu betimi do question aba fafa Facebook Promise Radio na afi Oyepa and Promise Sports on Facebook. And also the far ye be kan nyina e de ama Promise Radio abanyini ba yensa mo akwa babiem ejame juso senyoma ekwo kama nyame adom o resume office wanya be so Ashanti region the 4th month mo na 4th month ni na adwuma ne tesai nyame adom bibia dedi enyoma ekwo kama se de usi pe no
yenyandu babia ya pese yedu no but I think so far so good.
Okay. But so 4 months in the way okay with an amount 2 or 2 efa National Sports Authority omun kita hudie amodi said the beya Baba Sports Stadium ne other facilities amores no bibia bekoso kama
to a very large extent. I think nyamiadum we are on a daily basis boy home say juma is here ni so mandate or mine the Ashe Authority no and sano boy homoding, and I believe we can do more, but me know can say as at now we are doing our best.
Okay. We the do ba hapa enra de wo ha afi de wiem na National Sports Authority so mo makotoko mobo Baba Sports Stadium biem na charges bi o mo de amema Asante Kotoko nya asem keto we ensema na manfo konis na Baba Sports Stadium ni Kotoko de ebede na Baba Yara yi Kotoko afri wo so makotoko mebobo ho stadium kredi enda so yi Kotoko former player Baba Yara onna ne dinda so tie ne so ye bedwetwe ho nkomo ne ebisebisem ene se ne yedidi ho nkomo ambe so sadaje ebema na waba ne yedi ho nkomo ede na asie wo da no ide wo betimi aboyemu ye de na asie akofa ye ne sanwoma ne nyina aba
yo minu amedase menchia etiefo nyina ne ahwefo ba bia wo mote yenka if I unu amafi radio pao
sao
say djuma me so ma
ya minipa
na yamede mi remu say ya na makai ebrebebre say ya enti me chia obia me chia djuma for banyufo
102.7 FM
o ta djuma die no achi nyame anim ni yenka wo ba bia say yemma Asante Kotoko Bobo Baba Sports Stadium. We've never said it anywhere. Na yentimi so enkasa so eda. Megidi se edwumaku bia no edubre bia na ehwa kohia se ewose mpanyfo ye ntotoye eyen sakraye dani eniama eni kakra. Na megidi se sa kwan na so na akoba if you say ntia babontin no awakoba ne sa megidi say even yan start league no clubs ahodo nyina ya hosesie me boa menua
no crepa
very good yan ya Kotoko kra guso a ye pochi players ye faha ye yes enya hosesie na bia
no abi no
anya bia players no mu nyina boa ye pe
David
obia ne boa ye ne di nkomo kokuo mu ne ade ne age atum de betia ne se ya unveil ni pass mercy waba ana patronye sa
sanity
excellent league no ended not quite a long time ago. Na me no ka say egusu awo ahomegiem in terms of that space no wo mo dey prepare about starting the next league season. And you know, yeah, a regional directorate and as a secretariat. NSA no Krabata war Asante Memo. Ya who odi nyina efiti soro. Eneba. Na me ji say Ghana ha no ye wo 5 major stadia. If you say standard ye categorize wo mo etumu a. Ye di adwuma no. Mpanyufo etu ho anamo edi nkomo bebre ewo Ghana fa na nyina a enye Baba Yara Sports Stadium nko a. Na me no ka say no Jumedie ya anase nhihye ya ana MOU I was say ye ne Asante Kotoko esan emu part of the agreement no I think say Akko Center e wo sikasem so enko but there are other very interesting areas. Me look as about 2 weeks ago na House of Folk Accra Lions any at the almost in science MOU you Accra about 2 weeks ago I just say nyame adom bibia na normally say decisions be say ba enye NSA nko na tenase. Of course the FA is in the know, the Ghana League Clubs Association for no so ka GACA e ka ho because omo nyina wo share e wo every proceeds if your activities no mu no eba PL before and so ka ho ebi ansana authority no any other key stakeholders. Enti no the meka kakra ni say mi guso hwanimu say the management of Asante Kotoko ebeba per the communique no monsaka ye no because omo maye ma yensi ginaye officially enti no I wouldn't want to go too deep into the matter because your stakeholders any womo and na ye de krata abremo enti ka menu anka ne papa mu no say wasenke sinkonya anampa chomeboa
no crepa
sa na montu no enko so. As far as I'm concerned, we are a key partner or stakeholder of Asante Kotoko. But GDC almost jitum say we are a key stakeholder as far as womu enyama share before the league starts. Mestre, we have not closed our doors for the past 4 months, taking over the region with my able team. Mepon daho abribia. Na meguso amehwe ni mu se wo mo beba na bibia e kire wo madwe no menua enkenye afidie su na nkeka no wadaroma ani die mu me di respect every supporter stakeholder management of Asante Kotoko say I will not break my administrative procedures say me ba discuss an MOU every year ho akọ Asante Kotoko ho say munhwem na yenhwe entrase na kwan league no start here facility edaye nyina yakoma so the whole Ghana enya Asante memo nko eda obi akoma so based on the status yekuta enunti no se ensesan bi aba na se nhihye bi ekoso se yebe peja bibi mu kakra yedi bibi beto ha nhihye ahodo yebeye na Asante Kotoko etimi edi omo se asi omo bu se ampa ye home grounds yedi bo league no Bibi adedin to nyina ededin. I think say this is the crust of the matter and there is nothing to say we are not prepared to host Asante Kotoko ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium.
Said the way umpese obekum yi. Eno so na akofa asama bai. Etike na yenya wi de na nko wachichim de ma National Sports Authority. Mo arrive at decisions here. De damani de bia me kan enye sa nete a na wo so aboy na
eye idea was say me can bibia sisi na ya call round table necessary I would have prejudiced the decisions and as anyama ye betimi adane no nini ade so on say city no na me can say me pese me komu bebre because a lot can change even with that. It could be say one more crowd was a super brilliant idea say yenye de ya this idea to womanim efa maintenance ho asem ewo park no so the two womanim a they may even offer something more beautiful and not even necessarily in figures okay so dem eche enuti na me sha wadaroma say senke be ya na nka omumu bi wa ha na oye fully assigned representing the club officially then I would have also taken a different, The America say, on the worker say,
omo use facilities of National Sports Authority, football clubs.
Yes.
Has Kahon, Accra Sports Stadium, Accra Lions, Accra Sports Stadium, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Babayara Sports Stadium, Yebetia kwa other regions. Also Modeba ya has for sure one sign. Accra Lions are sign.
Yes.
Modema Kotoko 2 weeks ni.
There be Yedima omo barely a week ni.
A week ni.
And I may
the same period na Modema has
same content,
okay.
Same
minti nyina ha.
Thank you.
En Kasama Kotoko management.
Okay.
But looking at the Ekosono, ene money about more than 3 clubs, but ye can't cry ni Kumasi because I never ye has assign Accra Lions assign. Quickly mode more Matthias, you know. I Kotoko 1 week in the month or Moncano. Me from my experience, meeting I said they are not happy. And I saw a lot of consultation. And I say, Omufu say you are not even treating them well.
Okay, so let me say that they received a communication from us first of all, and there was a response to that communication. And in our response to them, no, and ye be review no on the broader, yes, Emma woman. And no na make us say indeed and na he be brave. Mediti say aba abontin any idea. So on say the city. But I'm saying say we are stakeholders. Ewo adwuma na ye nyina ye de ye ho akwakohye mu no. Enti no say me ba ha na ya trase ye sigina ye awie na ye mutually agreed. They are. Then I think say then I will be reporting of a mutually understanding MOU. Yes, but me no ka say me nyan call round table with Asante Kotoko management.
Okay. But the same agreement Amodema has ne akala eno ebi na Amodema Kotoko.
In principle, yes.
It the na Amodema has.
The same thing.
Same
MOU na ye ama.
E dey na ewum. Ahas ate ase.
There wo hu o media ne mo no.
Dey me hu no.
Yes.
Okay. E na ma me misa we.
Okay.
Dey me hu dia na ese wa ma me kwan se me bisa wo. Eti ma
But you see, I'll be happy say you better expand the discussion no to the Ghana League clubs. You can call Mr. Kudo Fiano right now if you want. Okay. You can call other stakeholders. Na enkomo no na enko center on Babayara Sports Stadium because like I said in principle no the MOU to us ebeboa ama yama your facilities no ejina ne na so abribia for the use of our stakeholders.
Edian na ewo ho last 2 years 3 seasons ago 4 seasons ago money Asante Kotoko motena asundwe mu money clubs itina asundwe mu has de so ma sign fi de makofa bibia ba omo so monti ase
but omo ka kire so monti ase me nya any formal
Kotoko de asemba na hu se supporters ate agina eno na e management you.
Yes, but you see I am a representative of the state. I must give room for all parties to appreciate what the stand of the state is.
Okay.
As far as these discussions are concerned. Enti Semeno call that tangent, I would have lost focus.
Okay.
As far as managing the facility is concerned. But I'm saying that notwithstanding, yes, we appreciate and yet so 50-50. Ebia the Babonte Krano. Of course, I see it as more of Ebia the media wanting to educate, but at the end of the full MOU na omo publish here, then we can take matters as it is. But I'm dealing with the client. I'm dealing with a key stakeholder like Asante Kotoko. Me mean to me and precede to come and lay bare facts are yanjin to muye. But this is a proposal. I'm going to say de ama. So and you see, make us saying I'm restraining myself a lot because I believe say we still have the opportunity to sit at a round table. Na ya discuss it, sir, review no, and as a proposal no I down NMCC no. Okay, then we can agree together.
Yenyoma ni bia ye hun ni say the ba media ne mo no ayi nyina ye hu bi no ebi ebu wo ho a se de be ya enye official you know so betimi aboa na watente kakra say 5% maintenance on gross no more replace it with 5,000 Ghana cedis and no betin achechire mu.
So in most cases we have always mentioned say putting the facility to a full-scale match. We go through a process. Financially, we are, seriously strained. What you say? And now, your dates are proposal. We say, Abba. I am still trying to restrain myself. Say, yenya facility no so no. This is our concern. Wona we use facility no. What you say? Enti say o landlord say or how be wo ekwan bi so say ya. Say still no interest wo ho say obetena efie no a anya bia no onko enkotu anamon a ebeboa ma woni o landlord ntem ayebako wana.
Yeah.
Say ba anya sa ne ma no so e bia wo dem na enyu tutututu. E bia wo de ususu say o anya hwe but me so fiura no so say ebe say dan no. Nti wadaruma sa change no anase sign na buy no yenye susu say ebeboa ama continuously yenya a firm hand on the maintenance of Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And like I told you, it isn't Baba Yara Sports Stadium alone, but in other regions like Accra Sports Stadium and so on. Enti minim say na kebia menya a formal response as to the concerns are omo because the meeting no, but I have no official communication to the extent say bia too much or bia is to say this area that because a lot of things have been raised including advertising and other things and so on and so forth. What you say? But we are still hoping say you be do that stage you be a round table to discuss. Of course we have genuine reasons for bringing this new proposal.
Based on agreement and I'm previously with clubs no the new agreement na mo dia ba no increase mo percentage amunya from gate push and match the revenue na
it's just a slight increase our match proceeds just a slight increase. Okay. Like I said, a lot of factors have been considered and are trickled down to the regional directorate. So like I'm saying, stakeholders are a lot of opportunity to discuss this matter arriving at this point. I've mentioned Ira Kujofiano to you saying how and Kamepesi be out in the bed also know a neutral person outside of Baba Yara and Asante Kotoko discussions. Now you share from his perspective, he's a seasoned football administrator.
Almost I represent clubs no.
Very good. Now you say how far did it go and why possibly the agreement at that
point? My name is we Mushia Gaka no. Maybe I'm first meeting with Gaka. Yeah, sure say more than terms go definitely Gaka and clubs never communicating. Ama clubs no eso de more stance e de aba.
Good.
It before ansana Gaka bebe biem say oh NS de mo ye no ye Gaka for ya te ase no. E kire say clubs na te. De mo NS mudi kan de ma Gaka for no.
Okay.
So what the mention say. Yes. But we situation where and tisa
based
on what is happening any Kotoko response now ka say emma ye na kire say Gaka any Kotoko an kasa ma Kotoko ante ase e na Gaka na NS buy no so de mo de aba na ye clubs na so they make an ultimate say because Gaka no mu gina ho de ma clubs no.
Yes.
It is a nkitahudie bi koso between NS and clubs na mu yi Gaka so mu meginem and am de Gaka by because of omu percentage omunya wo gate nim and am de omu buy say because omu gina ho ma clubs nti no mo pese omu no mo tena se di nkomo na mo won sesan bi a mo pese mo ye a omu clubs no ese omu hwe na mo nyina na mo toatoa na mo hwe se de betimi asiye
semeti onkomo na se bebrea. So let's say Gaka was represented or represented the clubs. But at our level in the region here, no, Abia Omami Anuye as to why Asante Kotoko Emma table no. upon receiving this MOU. If you're able to respond to that, then
the meme can say. Then one answer my question. It just say.
So we are still at the edge of issue. No, So I'm just giving you the opportunity to say. First of all, we may even agree at possibly even a lower rate than this, but minya that opportunity, okay, to meet the management of the club at the
102.7 FM.
So me need any official communication say, yeah, ma, I believe they will come, and so give me that opportunity. When we conclude discussions on this matter, na say ekosi baby a say negotiations there. You don't sit outside and presume say ebia say na bekwa na say yeah na ehwe facility ne so and yesusu say there ya over the years any there yeah ba boy yesusu say ya den hye we to ho eyi we free mu the we beka ho ne ade a ebeboa. Seriously, I want to believe we will meet and trash out the.
But me sure say they there ekosu nyina wati bi.
Oh Mati.
What try so ebia Yama Kotoko letter but my memfa phone call bi nto aso na memfrɛ management na ebia letter na me de mam no na wotwe say de apia bontini yebetimi ahia na edi nkomo na solve problem na ho na ana say letter na de mam ye de hu nkomo.
So Medican can say we wrote a first letter, they responded. Even Enokrano, we had a few issues with it.
First one.
Okay. Okay, that is the response from Kotoko. We had a few issues with it. And now you respond here. Say, so we are taking a broader look at the whole discussion. And now a day sa inclusions we know a buy. Now minya minim say Kotoko nimade. And penyufo a ekuta club no nimade. But we are in the same region. Sami Hahamania, the office of Asante Kotoko to Babayara Sports Stadium. But we have collaborated in the past in so many instances. If you may buy a minim role be a me play key.
Promise radio.
Minim say it inured to the benefit of Asante Kotoko. I didn't know yam pese yabe go through that process no still rather than say you better no esrenia basa all the time. For me, I think it is not healthy. I am rather even thinking say we have a lot of work to do in the areas of one ensuring say league no start here spectators ebeba Babayara Sports Stadium one area I think say over time we are neglecting. Say you be chassis on a very strategic move and as a wave be to drive supporters to the stadium. Very important. All stakeholders must be on guard with regards to this matter. Say ya bobo na e dom e ba. Minia, say sika ya ye ka ho asem yi. Anya bia sika we nya sika bia Asante Kotoko. Sika we nya sebi sika bia amfa Asante Kotoko. But I think say we are possibly losing the good things that can come out of this MOU or discussions, and now you fix it your minds on the financial aspect, But I think that we have a lot more to do than this, Sikana or media, Asante Kotoko.
Say Adibia no ya ohene ti se de na wo kan
yes
se ye football no nyamenem no kurani efa ni pe ba stadium abahwe ye games ye league na ye bo no abafom
good
and ti se kan no
but we nim say your preparations are ye for matches we don't consider that over the period when we are making preparations for matches we don't consider spectators a beba set number in number that I'm talking about. We do a full scale preparation and it costs a lot.
But say I'm more target.
Oh yes, we do. But I can tell you,
you can also use maybe at the last 3 seasons.
Yes.
As a case study. Yeah. You had last 3 seasons now. Games are yabono. every single season. Me sure some more calculation na.
Yes.
3 seasons ago, nipa ba stadium ebe hwe Kotoko games. O they compare last 2 seasons ah, obon say abafom. Ofa last 2 seasons then they compare last season there na. Obon say last 2 seasons there na ye chen last season there no. Nti e kire say what did the last 3 years kra na ya season bia no ke ye kɔ yanima nka wo expect nipa ne be kɔsoro no rather than e teba fam. Enti muntimi nyina no so nka say o ebia this is the situation. Ye na ye checks ni nyina na afi bia no ye be start ye bo na ye bo nipa na e teba fam. Enti ye nye considerate kakra.
Good. And you know, in this case, I manage a facility. Say me bobo me call things are taking me finances are. Sanya mano. Me call ECG for instance. Oh no, when spectator waba park so. Ghana water. Onim he is he maintaining the pitch. Fertilizer born onim spectator waba park so minimum. You see, I'm saying say we have a concern. Yeah, express it idea is to say ya pese ya NG and some as far as a juma aban e dia share ensa no. So you have a club. Me just say also our objectives and so on to achieve. Enti say facility owner no make suggestions in this case. I don't think say ya force will be as a chinchina and chana say say well so mama you. I don't think that is where we've gotten to. And that is why I'm saying that it is still an appeal to the management of Asante Kotoko say our doors are open. Communicate nearby no omomra. Near transit. This is the reason. This is why. Samoti say you try light to move Babaya Sports Stadium. How do you feel? But normally say enusia. It means that over time, continually, you feel baby ya boa ma yintimi. Etubo hunu na ya jemu na ebia bibisa aba. But I can assure you, the government interest and supporter aban edema sports in general. No, I think say we managers must also look at other channels. You bet me raise revenue to support the effort of government, because facility needs you government will never recover from the cost of construction, maintenance over time. Any other. Okay, so we are all in it. We want Asante Kotoko to do better the coming league than before. We are ready to go extra miles to ensure say timuno everything be beer was ye. Okay, ebeboa timuno ama yenyina yakoye nemuno. We are ready. We shouldn't just based on just a letter decide say yeah can be egu na bibia say no. I don't think that is what we want to do.
Afe na wode wa fidie atoa na say afe na wode wo TV atoa yene eye opanyini a oda National Sports Authority ano e wa Asante Mantem eye opanyini Kwame Bamensa na edin komo e wo eye Highway Sports on Promise 102.7 medical ka say ubetimi do questions aba that enche be kwa manfo bisibisa questions kakra enti ye be ko ho na afo questions omodi aba no na time obema me sure say eye supporters ni bia nyoma so no monte ase no ubetimi do question aba na watimi ayi no wo kan nyina no wo so omomra
yes
bebu aya na utia na hotro tonde meche no adana mosomon frɛ mo they are cause the editing medium the supporters here momra na yeso ni nkomo ana
so Mekaisa last week or so me share Minua Akoto administrator oba me chen ye din nkomo. I think say me buy me need share about 3 or so times. The last time crano me no edin nkomo for even spectators yasemi a ye kan ni ade. And I believe say me jidi say ebia there is no formal decision as to ebia taking a move say omo beba ama ye disankome but e brensu ni ho enti no mesre waka ye fano formal kra na okay so me na matro and na minya response as to my last communication I made breo enti I would want to give a reminder send ye beya yenkodu stage bia ebia finally na was almost presented Baba Yara Sports Stadium as their home grounds for the next league season or how be we will not be an obstruction. We don't intend say yebeye usi akwan in the way of Asante Kotoko, but I think the right things must be done. The right things must be done. Na yinyina no yakono pepepe. If everybody wants to be professional, there is a way out. But being confrontational and no aside never be brave. Someone's in the city. I think that the team at this moment needs more of calmness in order to approach the league. Give the necessary resources, supporters all over the world of Asante Kotoko. Rather than these matters. I'm urging, the management to say, we don't intend to go this way.
Okay.
And for us, our doors are opened all the time. I will do all I can within my powers to reach out and see that we get this matter resolved.
That's because I feel no supporters some expectation was so.
Thank you.
I was so papa and to be yeah. Go players in the way of Musia said last season, and your man kui.
It's true.
Supporters said
so higher power.
How much so?
Because I told you that preparing for a match, a cotier more. Enti asama ye kan nyina no me pesa me kɔ de atwam ɛho ɛnu ti ne yɛse onua baabi adui mo aye yen soso niema we mu na yamfa amememfe anya adwuma no
kan na mo ana mo wi am percent na mo de twa security for ka ana clubs na twam ka
so proceeds no takes care of all this.
Okay
because
the buy say so mutua yini wi a 5,000 is 4,000 no. Now much 5% be on the gate proceed
for security risk no
and I did be
so there is a VAT component of the whole transaction. So that's a 17.5 no. And so on. Okay. Yes. And
a 5 near for risk and security.
Thank you.
And Yemfan say you be no. Aside and 10% to the authority.
Yes.
And the other 10% to GFE, 5% to the Ghana Premier League board. Then
and nobody
PLB. Zakito.
The FSC it is in existence.
PLB. Yes. One chairman of the PLB.
I'm gonna say
and 5% to Gaka.
Yes.
Maybe I can be full sen can
one more dear clubs no
70%. So o can nyina boma ebeye 30%.
Yes.
Aside VAT no. Se VAT in the da hoda da and no ye dey abutua. I know they are buying into ye dey seko.
Yes.
Medianka efe no so ba 5% muma ka be bo na nka 5 na koka clubs dey no.
Is the discussion.
Eno na make ga ka asem no.
That is the discussion.
So tell me just eno na make ga ka asem no. Nanka almost what omo de no so kakra because situation na ewo mu no say ya moabo ye ho a e be do point bi no ye football no nyoma be gi egu agigu susu a position out down yi e wo Ashanti Regionals NS boss no
yes
me ye sure say anya hwe kura no say afeso na mo fa musika sem na mo ye yi a se Kotoko anya mo biggest contributor number 1 a e bi on be second.
That's true.
So what the mechana say? Ti baby aduni de e say munyina motena se na mo so bo nyoma na enyoma timi tutu because this season no samba for no amount for her mo
Number 5.
amount for her me ayina en sheda nye hu
no enye hu bra
enya de bia ye hu as enyo man sheda enya yi and ye wo other areas as wo hwema I feel say to say Gaka and the FA are not helping the clubs based on difficulties at clubs in the woman. It is say that you can negotiate with the government.
Yes.
It's the role of the FA when it comes to this. They are only interested in their percentage.
That's true.
Their only interest is your percentage. Sit down with the government. Momentia says your football and they form.
And to say can
form. Nyame kra na yeda na se say the antisama no ne fo die bizagito ka national team no ye jade to F ne so anka jije mu ka say aban na beso ye mu ne national team ne sa anwoma nti enwoma me hu ne de ka enhyeda nye hu but ne nyina na back to the FA ene Gaka ti ye ne ne akoni nyina no I feel say Gaka step in na omo ye ti say busuan panyini no omo ehia mu nyina na motoatoa na dia asundwe ba na afi yekoye nim na yenyina aboa eti ja kwa me ba yenya nwie yo
mate
se na se so tie ba ko ne deeper life
enu de na ka visa over me ku ana pare na visa over me ku ana pare
enu se Ghana fo ewo mo se blasters or match bi techira ya o
oh yes
ye ne Angola
yes
and a pictures bi be ba abonten a yenyina yehu ye na nyame anim no kure ni na abamubu ya ba I say baby grass baby see 12 free hole so be na tam ko ni fio so be na sheda no call pitching no dey na 2 glass no say hey e dey asem na ebe e say so CAF kra tenase a say stadium they qualified say be host to CAF any FIFA organized competition we na numo ya class sports say sama tese be bo ayi wo yi e dru group stage mo ho yes on baba yara they say you need that swag ka ya baba yara ti ehu bibi pe na ye mahye ekoba ne say na mo de ye koma deeper for kofa asembay
yo me da se me ojidie bebre say 102.7 adwuma apande ahye NSA sano there are other very important aspects of it. Meaning say enipa bebre ya aware say NSA we don't work for profit. Yenye adwuma say emfaso enti na ye adwuma. But ye adwuma say na be ya agudie ebekoso. Sports no ne marketing ebekoso. Na Ghana ebetimi enya representation as far as the different disciplines are concerned. The NSA superintends over about 52 associations, CC. Football in the decline, and Yoma, did actually taekwondo, swimming, and boxing, and then asifo. Now, Osha associations in na me fa Ashanti regional. Every association biano. Let me take for instance athletics. Me baha. Sami ha mania de bia omo use stadium in their numbers start here homache training koso any ade we charge them nothing for the usage of the facility okay from them until they share associations because a state owned facility we also develop talents in association with the sports authority. And to me, I wish mo pa ebi ne yakeka ball yasemu yi revenue a yenya efi football mu. Say ye trase na ban se wo hwe se senke no kwa na ebeboa and so all the time government steps in. Do renovation na ban aye na sede. And so the managers of the facility no yes we are transiting here who said there be ebedu baby no hwe asudi a eda aban so se bibi say a major fancy renovation ehia ewo baba yara sports stadium for instance unim say meti hey every day we do something to maintain the stadium me no ka say oba stadium ho sisi a your lighting system Yes, it's sunny. Okay, we are changing the lights. I think say almost see stadium no lights are almost edi kan e procure ye no. Say any system no bi nti bulb wu a. Adding. I'm giving you 2 weeks. Obeba every street light at Baba Yara Sports Stadium. A basis so shrine. Yeah, yes, sir. Okay, maintenance in preparation for the league match,
league matches.
season, no. Any other international engagements for the facility. And you can maintenance no every day. Every day, a coso. You are a sikasam. Now, event here a course we. Omoba May hoton. And you see Debbie. Sabre no. Intimate possible because it was. I mean, a heat period as far as our matches are concerned. And you know, Omobo boy ya in the Kusi say league ni ND, you know. Omo decide so can ye Omo beba. And penny for no mushia ye, I won't cry. A din komo, a so in some no a Kusi ye. And then Yamiadum, Omo be program no. Omo wie program no Tuesday, na think so omo wie ye. And she say ya no omo ye nyina no ekokosi say we are able to restore the pitch back. And sana ye major activities at the stadium. Ya were the whole of August. And she say ya ni efi ya e won krata so. The whole of August ye ni any major activity at the stadium, especially on the pitch. And as part of your maintenance courses, no, senka event impo anko swa. Also, yebe and the league no, Osha Park no swa pressure over 200 matches a year. Yetime bo our park we so, but originally, gabe 50 matches, 60 matches. A hono ya dwin she dan ko. Say matches are ye bo our Baba Yara Sports Stadium no. Does it have anything to tell on maintenance? A who will be a drink or who? But near the war, a working plan. Say league ne ND no. A juma nanki beye. And I sorry for the buyer. Unya nebe boa amayenya revenue kakra. Ebini say ye bisa 5,000 yeah. Because ye just say amanano emudo. We need a lot of things to
then Yemena kakra say yes. ABS can never near. You had a pitch maintenance. In Yanko Stadium, the stands money why and Sanyo Manomano. Sikana Mojeno from a sorry for no. I am Momo pitch in the sono. So Muye Omuju Media. Sikani enough, Semude Ebesa replace pitch, Namana back to the knee.
Oh, yes.
I'm a Masanyam Faso.
Oh, yes.
I'm the Bayer Jumafufro.
Oh, and Faso, the Anamika say, Yen Juma and Pen Faso. But we are working, say, every day in and out. Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Accra Sports Stadium, Tamale Sports Stadium, and so on. A Bayer ready for national assignments. We don't work for profit. No, we don't. But say a Bayer facility no Bayer battle ready every time. And it costs a lot of money to do these things. A lot. Baby. See. So I had this idea and you best check Ghana. You supporters of Asante Kotoko. Our region say we are up to task. Me no ka say omo wie ya hope nyame adomo a omo wie Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday was a period for them to unpack Omunyama. Me no ka say park and so dear bibia efriso. Na ya plan no ya start adwuma Wednesday anadwo. Jinemu ya wo a full month recovery plan. Until terms be okay, so ya raking vigorous one to ensure say foreign material bia.
Let's say based on the okay. Say you benya pitch in the back and be take it say.
So I have told my team, so with the plan, now you want by middle of this month. So I start Tuesday. You might have 15 days.
That means let's say around August 15th.
Thank you.
You better honor Baby na pitch in your camera.
In fact, videos there be buy any adeno. And no my fan say before. Okay. During no a year, all the strategies being put to recover the pitch. Now after no, you better recover we'll put all these pictures together. Okay, now I say grass, natural grass. So what the kind of pitch cover crana any probably agreeing also no. What they say natural grass is for even 1 hour. For even 1 hour. Now the kind of pitch cover now if I don't boarding, but in painful guswa pitch cover. So you have a situation where se cover in here top no a hard plastic. Now below no and from it me film. Now pegs a woman see park and so.
Okay.
Until you have a hard cover, not suppressing the grass, but you can have your programs. The any probably Edwin Aqua to say normal carpet. They say suppressing grass for even 1 hour. A better sign color.
It imitated the okay, more accepted because so we cry na BBS more time.
Yes.
I'm what did back to
more as part of their social corporate responsibility. As a sorry. And near ma womo if I know more share engagement as see. And near more started say womo boa to 2 SCC near man crack if I any so. But I'm saying that the state of the pitch even before now, am I the opportunity say natural grass bebia eto simbiano we are fixing it to have an even beautiful pitch before competition.
It's the okay o say e be take him be about 2 weeks.
Yes.
Pitch ne be back to then I say you ya na ye fefefe no.
Yes.
Ti yemfa ne say season e koso. Ya start Ghana Premier League season no. E koso. Kotoko so anya 2 weeks be ombo home game.
Yes.
Ombo week back kwa the following week ombe kwa we. Ebu okro mo boto ato aso. But to the yemfa ne normal 2 weeks obo home be kwa we back. Na ebia asore foforo so aba. Omo mu hia pitch no. For omo congress who said you a time a league na starting and now convention more the be
You see, ain't it possible because like I told you, Sabria you say yeah na yeah program no 2 days time yeah be bomb matcha then we can put our hands in the air say we've lost it. Okay, but you draw a calendar you nim every bia pitch usage for national assignment okay yeah until we would make some mistake say yati hono say ne fake keke say abribia when we know the nature of the pitch it's a natural grass. In other places FIFA sanctioned pitches ni bebre artificial mo use. But Ghana luckily Baba Sports Stadium, Accra Sports Stadium and so on a natural grass and we understand the ecosystem. And near ma a betimi ama grass no sabi aya basa a year out of we repair, but in this case it is not so.
The baby and hear me and no way man no.
Yes.
Since the season is started there.
Yes.
And found ni sika obi de baba.
So when a grass season never started.
Ebe start September.
Thank you. Any awo buzumi be mu.
Any awo August
3rd or second.
And a second.
Until the young kakra.
Me me ho na hear me.
Thank you.
So from September to I go to some season maybe May and June 2025. Sa brand dey obi aba and found ni sika ekura o.
Wait a minute, be mu kakra.
They say they just sunya for nkomo.
They say
senior.
So
they sunya na wo.
In his earlier submission. Or say nanka dipa for no ba June May. No catch up say you ho. Nti enye meboa. So it answers that question. Say during period.
Maybe so si suma me.
Okay, during period
so si suma me.
You ho no.
Because enyoma ne bi e ha adwen say ekoba ne sa say dipa vo de sie no. Bo say na ato supporters nti say na say de ekoyi. One we because last season at Accra Sports Stadium they go see and say yes, because of programs are ever to December 19. Clubs no more Accra Sports Stadium, including us.
Yeah, mama.
Omonko pe venue fufuro, no monko ball matches on National Sports Authority no. ACC omo ho e de atwen shows a na ya je stadium ni se e de beye. Tini yi football no e de atu baby so monko baby. Eno na se Kumasi de bi nsi.
Of our hwe ye MOU ya na wo kan ya. Ewom nti the teams or the clubs are pre-informed. and so period no so no naturally indeed you need activities be
102.7 FM.
There be the meme comes on to say.
Okay.
They see what crano. And they say a drew you read December mono. And I NS true crack had to come a class or mobile across posted.
Make I just a great Olympics call Sekmando say
a do time to organize Olympics mobile commas and a hasmo on Bokumas Bobo. And I make us I didn't a bit me out tomorrow, Baba.
No, I don't think so per the agreement we are going to sign. I don't think so. A bit means okay. Now, young fan is obviously me myself say young fan say when your mama can you know Kotoko so e be interested. But Ebia Stadium no, ye pese high. Near Tuamoka. Na ye use stadium no. And no more 5% no 1% in a year frame. And you see another boy near saying.
Brilliant. But a boy de me fan to just say a drew sana on by a basin kunyani atnas. No no be boy. Ye nyane san kepe. Ten being yanisa and can be boy a penny.
Peja microphone, Mamma. I'm so monty. It passes to mammy be most day.
May say, I know you're brilliant. Ye yanisa ten beer and can be boy. So more person more renty. Ye more bo technicalities bibia and coso. Ye de beba boy, ye new basin kunya. Na de womb be I can keep penny, sir.
Mopenum.
Yes, and no mumbe boy.
I am openo.
And no be boy because and Sunday a day facility never ma out. Yen afenum yenu ni na atenase ne yasinkunya. Ni aka cha say, and near ma a woman a bema yetimi a prepare facility na ma woni ye buoni. Entiti e kan ni na chro na wote ase a. Near the amount. Said the wo be ye no. Gate fee a wo beje. Eniema obeye bia is up to you. Ye de ye beba beboa wo. Ye behwe so betimi edi udwuma pepepe. Na emum de ye beje no ebetimi aboa ye ama wo wi a yetimi maintain facility no. Ama aye ready ama the next person beba be use. Enti ene de enke beboa ye pa. Enti ene de enke beboa ye pa. Enti time bia ye bompa ye se nyane sa enke pe. Rather than say ye call back to gate process no because spectators emma it will be we no na eye kasusuro 10% how be 5% how be intimimpo enketa for janitorials and sana even other maintenance ekeka ho nti no say mostly nipa ne ba so be rented dia enenka ene de ebe boan.
Okay. Make can you has here? On Asante Kotoko response. How much they buy? Next, I respond to my first letter. No.
First letter, no, yes.
Okay. Make can you know ma? Say oh, Sammy. Okay. I say 3,000 Ghana as maintenance fee. The Kotoko so suggest here. Any competitive match and mandatory 5% of gate proceed as maintenance for occurring to the NSC or 1,000 Ghana cedis as maintenance fee per match plus 5% of gate proceed as maintenance fee occurring to the NSC. Neja Kotoko no omo ye ready for negotiation no. So omo di bibia ba. And I winning yet.
Well, so in response to this, so this is a proposal also as well. Nti about say you know say yeah no mo di we bre you. Promise. Yes, aka no. We sent back
102.7 FM.
Next day kura mo ye closer o.
Nti I think that
you got from a unit say 5,000 Ghana cedi. And a club said 3,000. There's the difference is 2,000 Ghana cedis.
And eventually you could share with any as you.
Because another NSA boss, most spokesperson.
Yes,
I'm afraid in common. Or say has I agree on 4,000 and has NSA.
Thank you.
Now 3,000 and 5,000. They say more than one. Where is that? Some annual. And I'm a boy.
Yes.
So where they are some annual. Where the moon says, because more than 5,000 call. na Kotoko baso 5,000 eso e be take 3,000
yes you ye ntwa no krakra 4,000
na mo koye na has there 4,000 na 7,000 pe na be ka ho ana mo be to Kotoko 3,000 no
it depends on
Striker.
Obase me ye meeting no
oh see you trust
but I say
well they make kind on their response no the conclusion on my proposal na be 95% done.
I want to assure the Asante Kotoko club say me ba region mu no 4 months ni ma try say ahwe enema bibre of concerns to them we shall let you know kra omo raise issues be na me feel say hu hia that response in but they cited it to buttress their point as far as concerns be any omo there ewom my catch say me nua koto ehia once or twice. I've met a few other officials informally. I'm looking for the opportunity say official representation ebeba na ya chance na ya hwe even other concerns are omo aside even finances.
Promise radio
and I can assure them and all supporters say next league season we are promising to give them better services for using the facility as their home grounds. Okay.
Lions for no crowd omo dey so ba sisi aí.
Okay.
Omo so say 4,000 ma agree.
Enti na say twa ya 7 enti wo more official response mo twa for you be twa 4,000 ana.
Dem mo ye support e bikra e be tia ga so. O
5,000 metimi.
Da be 5,000. Ah 4 net 4 there. I don't have 5. 7 da be. Oh da be. Only almost 4. Is he a has 4? Lions 4. Number 4.
Tiazi wa Kotoko.
But 4 na nyina ko
Kotoko 25.
There be 4 na nyina. Unim. We do bon say supporter bi be ka so budget 1,000 ato no so.
Unim.
Na asumdua ba na fe. Because me I'm always against the current economic situation na yewo mo no. Say nye bibi gidigidi ne besi. Say be a stadium no ya tum ye renovation. And me sure say NSC intimi ka say be bo ho ahwan show ye makotoko mo match. They will never do it.
They will not.
So tell me say nye bibi gidigidi na esi a say kotoko move from Babayara Sports Stadium and I say be omo esi omo stadium. So move akwa another venue because and I say tell mu nyoma edin o. Nyoma edin na kotoko no so so no.
Ayedin ama ye nyina authority.
Baby Just obi a ewiase afana nyina.
Yes, it's true.
Baby everywhere.
Yes, ewiase afana nyina.
But Nigeria so what dey ekoso.
Yes, baby a yeden. Baby a beko bia se ne oto ade 1 cedi. Ochina obeko na ade na ya ni 3 cedis.
Yes.
Baby a na ye de no de ba ko bi na wo se ehwe ne eka. And the echi no na ya kan ho asem na ye de atompa ni foni. Nti de me kan se menye in support of yebeko ha because Kotoko no ebo match Babayara supporters ne mu be 60 70 80% amokom ahensan atonsu askwa asafo ashtown bantama roof room de chemso bia ko chikakra tanoso ebu akwa oba wa ye ne budget bia ne KSK 21 cedis so we move ko venue fufura wa ho sika no kra na obebo Babayara obenya no okosa ba na wunya
Kotoko di ndi say Kumasi Asante Kotoko Abrankasi Asante Kotoko
da be nya ho ne asem
Debi me ka
Asante no
Abrankasi
yes Asante ba toti o yes aka say tie me krum so ni say me fa Abrankasi nya you very careful you very careful yes Abrankasi nyame ni de o kan ya waka
oh yo
so tire me kira say
makoro ba match ho
enti me de me feel say between 3,000 and 4,000 a house
there will be a compromise.
And Akala in Australia
There
there
will be a compromise.
a moon shut down went to Mohena na mama support because this year supporters no person mo team no because signings a team na you know ama supporters ni hopes be and they want to see their team over Babayara Sports Stadium the montoto nyoma na bibia anya kama why ma ayifo no so mrem etiefo ne ahwefo no e bi o mo questions kakra no mo bisa and dey ayi dey aka 6 minutes ni asori o sam